Here, our goal is to solve this linear equation. Notice that we have x over 2 plus 5 over 6 is equal to x over 3. And we have 2, 6, and 4. These are the denominators of our fractions. So 2 is the denominator of this fraction, 6 is the denominator of this fraction, and 3 is the denominator of this fraction. But we do not want the denominators at the bottom. We want to eliminate these denominators, all right? And so that's going to be our first objective, to get rid of these denominators. But how are we going to do that? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the LCM of 2, 6, and 3. What are the multiples of 2? Well, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and the list goes on. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and the list goes on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and the list goes on. And so what we're going to do here is we are going to find the LCM of 2, 3, and 6. And the LCM of 2, 3, and 6 is definitely 6. So 6 is the LCM. So we're going to take our LCM, we're going to multiply it by each term in this equation. So 6 multiplied by x over 2, 6 multiplied by 5 over 6, and 6 multiplied by x over 3. And so we can simplify this. 2 goes into itself 1 time, but 2 goes into 6 3 times. So we have 3 times x. Well, this 6 and this 6 cancels out each other. And for this 3, well, 3 goes into itself once, but 3 goes into 6 twice. And so what are we left with? Well, we are left with 3 times x, and 3 times x is 3x. We are left with this 5 on top, and we are left with 2 times x. And so what we have here is a linear equation that doesn't have the denominators at the bottom, and so that's good. So we just have 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x, and this is definitely much easier to solve than the one that we have above. And so we have 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x. So we take this 5 and we send it over the equal sign, and we take this 2x, we send it over the equal sign. And so what do we have? Well, we have this was a positive 5, and we send it over the equal sign, it becomes a negative 5. This was positive 2x, when we send it over the equal sign, it becomes negative 2x. And so what we have is 3x minus 2x, which equals to x. And this is what we have on this side, we just have a negative 5. And so again, 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and we just have negative 5 here. And so the answer is x is equal to negative 5. And that's the answer to our linear equation. X is equal to negative 5.